Hey Joy, this is Micah Fritz here. I talked to Rochelle earlier today, and she kind of pointed me your way, saying that this is where I should send this video, showing how we can get some more customers coming into your door. Let's get into it. The first thing I want to talk about is the URL rating and the domain rating up here. That's what's actually what Google is looking at, basically behind the scenes. It's not. It doesn't look like this, but they configure all the data from your website, from the keywords, from the backlinks, and then that's what actually drives the power, getting you to the top of Google, which in turn brings people in because nobody goes to the second, third, fourth page of Google to find a customer or to find a business. They just go for whoever's first, second, or third, and that's just how it goes. Um, you have 91 backlinks here, which is a good number starting out. You we need some more powerful backlinks there in order to really drive these numbers. We want these as high as we can get them. And being closer together is also good. So if we had a 1919, that would be better than a 19 and a 3.3. The other thing, or the second thing I want to talk about here, is your organic keywords. This is what people are actually searching in Google to find your business and other businesses. So, for instance, people are searching plumbing Sioux Falls, and that gets searched 900 times in a month, and you're number 19. We're missing out on a lot of traffic here from that search. And also, we have Sioux Falls plumbing. That's another really big one. We have lots of these plumbers Sioux Falls. That's another really big one. Lots of these like plumbers Sioux Falls down here, 930. 30 position here, 16. Lots of these are very low on the even like the second, third, fourth, even fifth page of Google right now. Missing out on a lot of customer potential with that. So now if we go to your competitor, who is currently on the top of Google, which is in the number 2 position, I believe. They have 330 backlinks. They have a 2721. They have 681 keywords. They're getting 603 organic traffic from or people to their website. See, if we look here at your traffic, just a moment. Yeah, sorry. There we go. If we look at your organic traffic, come on. Sorry about this. There we go. You have 41 organic traffic coming into your website every month. This is on a per month basis. Also, if we wanted the competition keywords here, they're ranking a lot. They're above. They're on their number 2, number 3, number 4, 5. A lot. So all these 700 people, 900 people, they're seeing them first. They're right here, Sioux Falls Plumbing. They're getting 136 people per month coming into their website because they're in that number 2 position. Same with down here, plumbers in Sioux Falls, 61. Um, a lot of these keywords that are very easily beatable, like this one here. It's a 700 volume, 700 searches a month, 15 KD. That's keyword difficulty. That's what actually, like, that's how difficult it is to rank for that. And that's out of 100 as well. And a 15, that's very low. That'd be very easy to beat them out of there. Same right here. Plumbers Sioux Falls, 916. Very easy. They're ranking number 7. Whoever's even ranking for that, we can boot them right out of there and put you right there, bringing in all that traffic. Other than that, I think that's about it because your website looks very good. Um, I have no complaints. As far as that, you have plenty of organic keywords on here. We can definitely work with that. So from there, If you like what I saw and would like to hear some more and talk a little bit more, give me a call at 605-777-9328. And my name is Micah Fritz with K&M SEO. Thank you.